A Pre-Qualification Questionnaire, or PQQ for short, is a document used by organisations to help streamline the tendering process. The primary aim of a PQQ is to assess the suitability of potential contractors or suppliers before they are invited to submit an actual tender for a construction project. This video will delve into the purpose, content and significance of PQQs in the UK construction industry. So what is the purpose of PQQs? Initial screening. The PQQ serves as a preliminary screening tool to ensure that only those companies that meet certain minimum criteria are considered for further stages of the procurement process. This can often be essential in the construction industry, where the technical, financial and professional capabilities of contractors can greatly influence the success of a project. Standardisation and fairness. By using a standardised questionnaire, it enables organisations to ensure a fair and transparent process for all applicants, allowing an objective comparison of different companies based on predefined criteria. Risk management. An effective written PQQ can help in identifying and mitigating risks associated with appointing underqualified contractors. It ensures that only those with the requisite skills, experience and resources are considered for carrying out the required works. Content of PQQs. PQQs typically include questions on basic details such as company name, address and contact information. This section might also ask about the company's structure and key personnel. Financial information. Questions about the company's financial stability, including turnover, profit margins and insurance cover. This information helps in assessing the financial health of the company and its ability to sustain and continue operation through the project duration, which can sometimes be a number of years for larger projects. Experience and track record. Details about previous projects and experience in similar works. This might include case studies, references, or examples of past work. This section is crucial for demonstrating the company's ability to handle the proposed project. Health and safety. In the construction industry, safety is paramount, so this section is often heavily scrutinised. Information on health and safety policies, compliance and legislation, and records of incidents or accidents will often be asked for. Quality assurance. Details about quality management systems, certifications like ISO standards, and processes for ensuring quality in construction projects. Environmental policies, such as information on environmental management systems and sustainability practices, reflecting the growing emphasis on environmentally responsible construction practices. Equality and diversity. Questions regarding the company's policies and practices in this area are increasingly important, especially in public sector contracts. Significance and benefits of PQQs. Efficiency in procurement. PQQs help to reduce the number of applicants to a manageable size, making the tendering process more efficient. This is especially important for large projects where the number of potential contractors can be substantial. Compliance and standards. They ensure that companies comply with legal and industry standards, which is crucial as the construction industry is so heavily regulated. Level the playing field. PQQs could help to increase fairness in the tendering process, especially for smaller contractors who might otherwise be overshadowed by larger firms. By standardising the pre-qualification criteria, it gives all firms, regardless of its size, an opportunity to showcase their capabilities. A focus on quality and safety. By emphasising areas like safety, quality and environmental management, PQQs can help in promoting higher standards across the industry. The use of PQQs reflects clients who strive for quality, safety and fairness in its operations. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.